Welcome back to the channel, YouTube subscribers. We got something different going on. As you're gonna see in this footage, we got a no prep NPK or front side of the track. I gotta ask Mike which one it is, but no prep front side of the track, 28 small tire RMTuned Camaro. Pretty interesting deal. A lot more cars than I expected. Mike reached out to me, Mike Gunner reached out to me and said, look man, I want you to tour my car, you know, what it's gonna cost, what it's gonna take, and let's get this thing going. I was like, all right, I'll come up with some prices and we go from there. As y'all know, I really only got, no prep rods, the Lizzie and Pat deal. This year I'm going a little bit slower with that. I got a message here. Going a little bit slower with that this year. But with that being said, as you read from the title, I called it the RMTuned package deal. And what that means is basically, a short way to put it, I put together everything for you, kind of like a black gold deal. Only deal with black gold, I was put on salary to actually go about building that car. So everything is handpicked by me. Black gold, y'all have to watch the video. I ain't gonna talk about black gold in this video, but with this Mike situation, basically I spec the transmission, I spec the converter, I spec the rear gear, everything. I'm a dealer for a lot of people, so I ordered everything, drop ship to the mic or ship to the mic, and that's how I went about doing it. That's kind of why I call it a package deal situation. I set the 4-link up, got the motor where I want it, got the shocks where I want them. It's a Menzer deal on this application, and usually when I spec stuff out, it tends to go fast. So as y'all are seeing this video, I think we're gonna be a contender this year. I might not be at every race, but I'm gonna try to come to quite a few of them. We will be in Virginia, I guess, not this coming weekend, next weekend. NBK Virginia, small tire. He got a lot of guys he wanna go after, like Lyle Barnett, of course. Beer Money, I told him Beer Money, that joker rolls. So I'm gonna have to get on that keyboard and just keep pressing up. So let's see how it goes. Enjoy the footage. Let me know what y'all think about it. If y'all want a package deal application like that, message me. It ain't gonna be cheap. I'll let you know that right now. A lot of people heard I'm not the cheapest, but you get good quality when you deal with me. It's just how it is. I wish I could be cheaper, but this is my livelihood, so y'all just gotta deal with it. Hit them pocketbooks and piggy banks. I'm not gonna tune for everybody. Sorry, I can't tune for everybody because of, like, let's say Joe Blow races John Doe, and I both tune both of them. Joe Blow gaps John Doe or whatever. Fingers get pointed at me, so that's kind of why I'm very selective of the cars I have. Here goes Sinclair again. Yeah, very selective of the cars I have. So basically I got my two S275 cars, my personal vet. I got Nemesis, big block, small block deal. I got my LDR car. I don't have a Pro 275 car because we got too many cars at Duck Race, and my head be about to explode literally. So, I wish I could have a Pro 275 car or RVW car, but it just don't fit my schedule right now. So, if I sell my vet, possibly, I even considered it. But well, not necessarily my vet. The vet is actually DJ and my pop. 3-way split deal. That's the only way we can afford to do it because we some poor jokers. But so yeah, anything else in the class world, I can't really add. That's why a lot of people, when y'all message me, I say I can't do it because I'm 3 cars at radio events. I got a Pro Nitrous deal somewhat with Travis Harvey. It's a big dog car mainly. So if we tackle things here, S275, LDR, with 2 S275, that's 3 cars. Then I got Pro Nitrous, NPK, big tire, NPK small tire now, and grudge stuff. I got a lot of 484 cars, too many in my opinion. I got like 4 or 5 of those. And then back side of the street stuff, it used to be the Love. I don't really get a chance to tune that thing anymore. But Mike, I guess his car named Duct Tape. He wants me to fool with duct tape now, I guess. And then what else? It's too many to think of, but basically, if I add you, I gotta have the availability for it. And I treat my customers like real personal because I like to see all my stuff go fast. So you're not gonna see me at the track with 10, 20 race cars all at once. I ain't that guy. So with that being said, I talked way too long for this intro. Enjoy the footage. This one went pretty well. When we got to the track, we tested it at Morrisville, thanks to Biggins, Eric. Thanks to him. I think he's the owner of it now. Got a little test session going on there. This was bare, no dragging. The track was great, no glue. Went pretty smooth for the first day. 60 foot was fast, 330 was fast, 8 miles fast, and 1 miles per hour. So I'm pretty sure y'all know Mike talks junk. Mike is really finna be hard on y'all. So let me cut this intro off. Enjoy the footage.
Perfect.
Give it to us.
So this is Lucifer, our new No Prep King small tire front side no prep car. We finally got it out today and made some awesome numbers thanks to Ryan McCain. We have seen Ryan do all kinds of awesome stuff with a bunch of different grudge cars, radial cars, no prep cars, and decided to hire him because we want to go next level stuff. Change fuels, threw that thing on the dyno, and made some big power today. If we can get all 2,000 some odd horsepower down the track, she's gonna fly. It's gonna be fun.
Got anything to say there, Kevin?
Nope. Just smile.
Just gonna smile. Oh Lord, y'all see it. Few Factory, baby. All right, we are out. As you know, I'm there. Modern racing, a little different today. Few tech deal. Catch y'all on this one. Here we are, day 2 or phase 2 of what I would call my setup process. Got Mike to stay. We're about to go down to Morrisville, probably a minute down the road from Pat Moosey's shop. So I just did a 4-link setup on this thing. We're gonna see how it works out. It might go good, it might go bad. Ain't that right, Caleb? Ain't that right?
That's right.
That's right.
I'm gonna go good.
Mike said if it make it to the 8th, he get on Facebook Live. Was that true?
Shit.
Talking shit, huh?
Yeah, we ain't far from Lyle Barnett. Any of the other small tire guys.
Oh Lord, they're gonna be commenting on this.
We came to North Carolina to take over today with Ryan.
Oh boy.
First pass.
Now I'm in the middle of no prep. small tire no prep beef. I thought it was bad enough with the Pat Moosey stuff, big tires, but so yeah, did a full setup. About to go bust this thing off, see what it does. See if I can ruffle Mike's feathers a little bit. All right, y'all stay tuned.
Perfect.